Hi friends, I am Kapse sir, 12th class, subject English. Today we are going to see the third part of the lesson 1.3. In the first part, we have seen icebreakers and an introduction of the writer. In the second part, we have seen lesson. And in the third part, we have to see brainstorming. See the page 32. Look at the page 32, brainstorming. We have to solve the questions. We have to complete the activities. Look the first activity. Discuss with your partner and find out the different ways in which Sophie tried to get arrested. The first one is given. तुम्ही मित्रांबरोबर चर्चा करा आणि असे कोणकोणते वेगवेगळे प्रयत्न सोफीने स्वतःला अरेस्ट करून घेण्यासाठी केलेले आहेत. एक उत्तर दिलेलं आहे. ही ट्रायड टू एंटर लक्झरियस कॅफे. तो लक्झरियस कॅफेमध्ये प्रवेश करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. देन नेक्स्ट, सोफी took a stone and dashed it through the glass of shop window. तो दगड उचलतो आणि एका शॉप विंडोच्या ग्लासवर तो मारतो. नेक्स्ट, सोफी ate meal in common restaurant and declared that he had no money to pay the bill. तो तिसरा प्रयत्न करतो. एका ऑर्डिनरी रेस्टॉरंटमध्ये जातो, जेवण करतो आणि नंतर सांगतो की त्याच्याकडे जेवणाचे बिल देण्यासाठी पैसे नाहीत. त्यानंतरचा चौथा प्रयत्न तो करतो. सोफी येल लाईक ड्रंकन मॅन, ही मेड नॉईज. आणि त्याचा शेवटचा प्रयत्न, ही ग्रॅब्ड अँड सिल्क अम्ब्रेला. असे तो 5 प्रयत्न करतो. नेक्स्ट ॲक्टिव्हिटी, डिस्क्राईब द ॲटमॉस्फिअर व्हेन सोफी रिच नियर द चर्च. सोफी जेव्हा चर्च जवळ पोहोचतो त्यावेळेस तेथील वातावरण कशा प्रकारचे होते या प्रश्नाची या मुद्द्याची आपण चर्चा करायची आहे. अ सॉफ्ट लाईट ग्लो थ्रू द व्हायलेट स्टेन विंडो. त्या चर्चच्या असलेल्या व्हायलेट स्टेन विंडोमधून मंद प्रकाश बाहेर दिसत होता. देन द चर्च अँड ॲटमॉस्फिअर. इट वॉज अ क्वाईट कॉर्नर विथ ॲन ओल्ड चर्च. द चर्च वॉज क्वॅन्ट, रॅमलिंग, गॅबल. नेक्स्ट, द मून वॉज अबोव, फुल अँड रॅडियंट. Next, sparrows twittered sleepily in the eaves in the country churchyard. We have completed second activity. Now we have to see the next page, page number 33, and next activity. Look the activity. Read the story and match the incidents given in column A with consequences given in column B. Here is a table. Here are 2 columns, A and B. We have to complete it. Now look, read the first column, A column, and search the answer, correct answer from B column. Sophie tried to enter a cafe. Sophie tried to enter a cafe. What happened there in these incidents? What are the consequences? Yes, तो एका लक्झरियस कॅफेमध्ये प्रवेश करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. तर काय घडते तेथे? स्ट्रॉंग अँड रेडी हँड्स ऑफ द हेड वेटर टर्न हिम अराउंड. देन आफ्टर फर्स्ट second, Sophie broke a glass window. This is the incident. And what is the consequences of this incident? Sophie broke a glass window. The cop ran after another man. Third incident. Two waiters pitch Soapy on the callous pavement. And consequences. He stood up, slowly beating the dust from his clothes. Next, Soapy heard the anthem. Soapy heard the anthem being played in the church, and its consequences. Suddenly, a wonderful change came in his heart. Fifth, look the incident. Cop arrests Soapy for hanging around, and consequences. Dream of turning around in life was shattered. These are the incidents and consequences. Now look the next activity. Give reasons and complete the followings. Give reason and complete the following. This is the activity. Read the first. Soapy had confidence in himself because. What are the reasons? याची काय कारण आहेत की त्याच्यामध्ये आत्मविश्वास होता? Look, he was shaven, his coat was trim and he had a neat black bow. These are the reasons. Second, the head waiter of the luxurious cafe did not allow Soapy to enter because head waiter saw Soapy's tattered trousers and old worn out shoes. It means Soapy must not have money to pay bill. Look the third. The cop did not arrest Soapy for breaking the glass window because Soapy was standing calmly and talking to him. The policeman thought that the men who broke the windows do not remain to chat with the police. And the last activity we have to complete, we have to give the reason. The cop did not arrest Soapy for shouting and dancing. He considered Soapy as the young person coming from a party at the Hartford College. The policeman had instructions to neglect these young persons. After this, we have to complete the another activity. Pick out the lines from the text which shows that. Yes. After this activity, we have to see the next activity. Look there. Soapy's earlier life was much different from his present life. Complete the table to show this contrast. One is done for you. Look the table. Look at the table. Here is the present life of Soapy and his earlier life. Look, the earlier life contained friends and roses. सोपीच्या जीवनामध्ये अगोदर अगदी मित्र होते, आनंद होता, आणि सध्या काय आहे, अनवर्दी डिझायर्स, अगदी तुच्छ घाणेरड्या इच्छा आकांक्षा. Then we have to complete, we have to add points. Earlier life, eager ambitions, त्याच्या जीवनामध्ये महत्वाकांक्षा होती. And present life, dead hopes, degraded days, मानहानिकारक दिवस. Then the next, earlier life, clean, pure thoughts and clothes, चांगले विचार होते, शुद्ध अशा प्रकारचे विचार होते, नीटनेटके कपडे होते. He had collars, मान सन्मान होता. Present life, look the present life, wrecked faculties and base motives, Now we have to see the next page. Look at the next page. Here we have to see the A3. O. Henry has used different words to indicate prison where Sophie wants to reach. Make a list of those words. Which are the different words? ओ हेनरी या लेखकांनी या कथेमध्ये प्रिझनसाठी कोणते वेगवेगळे शब्द वापरलेले आहेत त्याची आपण लिस्ट बनवायची आहे. यस, प्रिझन, देन आयलँड, देन आर्काडिया, देन लिंबो, नेक्स्ट विंटर आयलँड. हे शब्द लेखकांनी प्रिझनसाठी या ठिकाणी वापरलेले आहेत की ज्या ठिकाणी सोफी हा जाऊ इच्छित असतो. After this, look at the A4. Next activity. Convert the following sentences into negative without changing their meanings. This is a grammatical activities, grammatical items. Here we have to convert the sentences into negatives, without changing their meanings. वाक्याचा अर्थ न बदलता हे होकारार्थी वाक्य आपण नकारार्थी बनवायचे आहेत. फर्स्ट, द पोलिसमॅन रिफ्यूज टू ॲक्सेप्ट सोफी इवन ॲज अ क्ल्यू. आन्सर, द पोलिसमॅन डिड नॉट ॲक्सेप्ट सोफी इवन ॲज अ क्ल्यू. नेक्स्ट, Sophie drafted along twice unsuccessful. Answer, Sophie drafted along twice not successful. Then third, next, Sophie stopped his unavailing racket. Answer, Sophie stopped his racket which was not successful. Next, the island seemed very far away. Answer, the island seemed not at all near. And the last sentence here, the island seemed an unattainable Arcadia. Answer, the island seemed an Arcadia which was not attainable. After this activity, look the next activity. Convert the following sentences into affirmative without changing their meanings. खाली असलेले जे वाक्य आहेत ते आपण होकारार्थी बनवायचे आहेत. नकारार्थी वाक्याचे होकारार्थी वाक्य करायचे आहेत त्या वाक्याचा अर्थ न बदलता. First, men who smash windows do not remain to chat with the police. Answer, the men who smash windows refrain to chat with the police. Second, why don't you call a cop? Answer, please call a cop. Third, on the opposite side of the street was a restaurant of no great pretensions. Answer, on the opposite side of the street was a very ordinary restaurant. Next, noisy but no harm. And the answer, noisy but harmless. And the last sentence, they seem to regard him as a king who could do no wrong. Answer, they seem to regard him as a king they seem to regard him as a king who was always right. So these are the grammatical activities we have completed here, and then you have to complete some another activities. For example, make a list of jobs which would give you an opportunity to help. Look there. Make a list of jobs which would give you an opportunity to help the society, to serve the country. Also mention the different ways in which they can be beneficial to the people and also the country. And one more activity. Go to your school, college library and read some other stories by O. Henry like The Gift of the Maggie. तुम्हाला जर काही बुक्स मिळाले किंवा नेटवर सर्च केले, गुगलवर सर्च केले तर ओ हेनरी यांच्या अशाच अत्यंत विनोदी, त्याचबरोबर ज्यामधून आपल्याला मॉरॅलिटी, रिअलायझेशन, सेल्फ रिअलायझेशन या गोष्टी निश्चित समजतात, त्या कथा तुम्ही वाचन करायच्या आहेत. फॉर एक्झाम्पल द गिफ्ट ऑफ द मॅगी, द लास्ट लीफ अँड आफ्टर 20 years. And write the stories in short in your notebook. आणि अशा कथा वाचून या कथेचे आपण शॉर्टमध्ये समरी आपण आपल्या नोटबुकमध्ये कंप्लीट करायचे आहे. फ्रेंड्स, we have completed third lesson, and in the third part we have discussed about the brainstorming. Okay, let's see you tomorrow with the next lesson.